Okay.
Is it running
There it
now?
goes. Mm-hmm.
This is impossible!
Hang on.
This is impossible!
Everybody look at the camera.
Say hi.
Camera.
This is impossible!
It's impossible.
Say hi to me.
That's what Bryce says.
Hi, baby Blair.
Woo! Look at them go. Uh-oh.
Ava is giggling so hard.
Bryce is pulling her.
Alright, we're starting to slow it down now, just for a little bit. Okay? Everybody take a little break.
Take a little break.
Alright, we're slowing it down now. You want to go by yourself? Okay, we're going to slow down. We're going to take turns. Okay, Bryce and Chloe, hop off. You'll have your turn in a minute. Okay, we'll do Chloe for Ava first. Hang on over here, Ava. Hang on right over here. Okay?
Can I do it myself
Right
faster?
there. There you go.
No, I already called it.
Okay,
I'm
here,
doing
one
it
hand.
after Maddie.
There you go.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Ava's on all by herself. Watch. Back up a little bit.
So I called it after Maddie. Right, honey?
Okay. Say
Yeah,
hello to
that
Aunt
means
Jen.
I'm going last.
Hi.
And then
Hi, Ava.
I'm going last.
No, you're not.
I'm going second. I'm going second. I'm going third.
I think Maddie will go second. Then Chloe.
Ladies first.
Everybody take. Hey,
You are going first.
okay. I'm gonna let it slow down, okay, Ava? You having fun? You scared? Can you wave to Aunt Jen? Can you wave to?
Can you let go to wave to Aunt Jen? Huh?
All right. Next. Everybody back up a little. Okay. We'll stand over there by Bryce for a minute, okay?
So,
Okay, don't say no.
no, I just said so.
Strength to push Maddie.
I'm a pro. Very nice.
Okay, Chloe, look out.
Watch Maddie. She goes high.
I am a pro.
Everybody back away.
Can I go highest? No, right. I'm going
Watch out, Ava.
Stand back here, Ava.
Stand back. He's going to push her really high.
Push first.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, Chloe. Want to stand over there by Bryce? Okay.
You're not perfect.
Man, how much you gained?
Woo! Oh, that was a big one. Holy cow.
I'm gonna do this.
I'm getting tired.
So am I. Stop it now.
All right, we'll slow down. We gotta give everybody a turn.
Hey, I'm gonna get down there. No, Ava, we're
I have to push as hard as I could. Okay, Chloe. Chloe's next. All right. Back up, baby. Back up. Back up more. More. Okay, is that high enough? Is that high enough? How's that?
Hmm.
Say hello to Aunt Jen.
No, you just quit it. I did as easy as Maddie.
Yes, you are.
Maddie.
Hang on. Okay. Slow it down. Bryce, get the turn.
That is gross. That is not good. No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, kids. Bryce, no more fighting from you. Okay? What do I hear? What do I hear? No more fighting. Is that correct? I can't hear you.
Mom,
What?
Yes, sir.
how
Okay.
about you, Buddy?
Not yet. Bryce, get in the center. Okay.
Sit.
Back up, Ava. Ava, back up a little bit, please. Ava, back up, back up.
Chloe and Ava, back up.
Slowly.
Chloe, move back.
You ready?
Well, Ava, back it up.
You're going higher.
Wow, Bryce.
Okay.